It was absolutely amazing. One of the best movies I've ever seen.
It was a great movie, man. Salim and the whole Fiddler Falls class did a great job.
Shit was all that.
Dope. Great movie. It was relatable. The quality was excellent. Salim did a great job. The cast was great. It was great.
Very nice. It's well worth the money.
Very good movie, man. Very good. Very impressive, man.
Fatally Flawless, a film where friendships are torn apart by betrayal and greed, while family loyalties are tested to the core. In this game, beauty can't save you. Writers Sophia Basin, Celine Vanderpump, and director Leigh Tahir brought the sold-out book of Fatally Flawless to life. In 2015, the two secured funding and began filming with a modest budget, but that didn't stop Fatally Flawless from becoming a cult hit. Fatally Flawless was so anticipated that the pre-sales tickets sold out first week. The movie went to sell out for 3 straight weeks. What an amazing achievement. In 2017, it opened at the Studio Movie Grill with a packed house of 4 sold-out shows, back-to-back. With mainstream radio and TV coverage of the film, the stage has been set for a Fatally Flawless sequel as the man reaches new levels.